Hi, today's video is about number formatting shortcuts. So we're going to show you a couple of shortcuts that we can use in Excel uh, to format the number in the cells. The first one we can do is format a number as a currency. To do that, you can hold down the control button, click on the cell, hold down control, shift, and hit the dollar sign, which is number 4 on the keyboard. That change that to a dollar sign. Then the next one is you can format a number as a percentage. In order to do that, you have to hold down the control shift and hit the percentage sign, which is number 5. That changed it to percentage. The next one we can format is number to a 2 decimal place. We can do that by holding control shift and the exclamation point, which is number 1 on my keyboard. Now